Rogue delivers all the capability, functionality, and technology that today's families need. And there's nothing more important to today's families than safety. And the all-new Nissan Rogue leads this segment in standard safety features with Safety Shield 360. And this is just a further commitment that Nissan has to deliver the best safety in all of our most popular segments. Drivers are going to notice fantastic exterior styling highlighted by the V-Motion grille and a very masculine, muscular stance. As you settle into the cabin, you'll notice all of the connectivity that you've come to expect from Nissan vehicles with zero-gravity seats for the ultimate in comfort.
Production trials, of course, are one of the key activities leading to an all-new vehicle launch, and that would be no different for the all-new Rogue. So we had to quickly assess our ability to adjust our trial schedule to be able to run the trials while production wasn't actually running. We had to do that safely, of course, to bring in enough team members to be able to do that. Next step was to work with our suppliers to make sure that they could do the same activities safely in their own facilities, and that brought even different challenges in itself, with the transportation industry also being disrupted during COVID. That was a challenge to make sure that all the component parts were available for the suppliers, and then that we could receive the supplier parts for our own trials here for the all-new Rogue.